you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. And make her come check you, my babe. No time, no.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dee, and if you're returning, welcome back. So I did not do a intro for this vlog y'all are about to see, so I was like, let me go ahead and do this intro and put it in so it'll, you know, flow a little easier. But in this vlog episode, well, actually, welcome to episode 2 of my moving diaries. If you haven't seen episode 1, I'll put it in a card above. But yeah, in this episode, we are moving out of my old apartment and moving into my new apartment, which is where I'm at right now. I love it here. But yeah, you guys are gonna see me doing some cleaning up in here and dealing with the movers and all that stuff. And when I tell y'all, the movers was just not it. But y'all will see that in the video. Yeah, I wanted to come in and introduce this video so you guys aren't just going into me talking about how I love my new apartment and all this stuff. While I do love it, but yeah, I just want to come in and say hey y'all, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And then in episode 3 we'll be doing my decorating and all that stuff because I'm working on that now. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Y'all, we are in my new apartment. Today is January 29th and I just got the keys to my apartment. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little empty apartment tour. I literally brought all my stuff in here. I brought all my stuff in here to clean up. That's exactly what we're finna do. I love it so much in here, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. Thank God for getting me into this position. Like, I love my apartment so much. I love it. There's literally nothing wrong with it. So far, all I've done was ran the water for 45 minutes. Make sure you do that because that water been sitting for however long. Ran the water for 45 minutes. In the sink of the bathroom, in the shower. I seasoned my carpet with carpet seasoning. Now we about to get in here and we about to get down and dirty, okay? I'm gonna first wipe down all the counters and stuff in the kitchen, and then I'm gonna wipe down the counters and stuff in the kitchen, and then we'll head to the bathroom, and then the last thing I want to do is mop. So let's get started, y'all. So as y'all can see, my refrigerator is on the counter. So I don't know if I want to put it here or put it in the corner. I feel like the corner would make it look a lot cuter. It's a big ass microwave, but I think I'm gonna put it in the corner. I think the corner would be the cutest option. I don't know, does that look weird? y'all, so I am done cleaning the kitchen, the living room, and the bathroom. I'm gonna go downstairs and get the rest of the stuff that I have in my car and just put it on the table. I do have 2 bar stools that I went to get. I am gonna do a separate video making my house a home. I left my vacuum at my other apartment, so I can't vacuum, but I did season the carpet. So I'm gonna go downstairs and get that stuff, get the chairs, because I want it out of my car ASAP. No Rocky, I'm not playing no games.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It is moving day. It is January 31st. It is 6:47 a.m. I've been up since like 5. So we getting it together. So let me show y'all what I've done. I have cleared everything out of my bathroom except for this stuff because that stuff's going in the trash. So, but everything's out of the bathroom. In my room, everything's out of here. Gotta put that. I gotta take my bed down, which I'm gonna do soon. This is a screwdriver I need to take my bed down. This stuff I'm gonna be taking to my car. I'm gonna take my Alexa to my car. I'm gonna take these curtains down. They're gonna come get the mirror, obviously. And here, they're gonna come get this stuff in here. Some stuff I'm gonna take to my car because I could just take it to my apartment. They're supposed to be here between 7 and 9 and it's 6:47. I haven't gotten a call yet, so we'll see where that goes. In here, I have some stuff that I'm gonna get as well. I'm gonna probably put this stuff in my car as well. So yeah, now y'all, the kitchen and living room is horrendous. So my roommate stuff, she's gonna have to move that because they gotta come get all my stuff over here, get my couch. These bags are trash and donations, so I'm gonna take the trash ones when I get done filling up my car. This stuff is mine too. This trash can, this is mine. That's my mirror, my Instapot. That's what we're looking at. I decided to come back to the bathroom, but that's what we're looking at for everything. Also, I had lost my whole container, my whole case for my SD cards, and I found it. I freaked the out the other night because I couldn't find it, but I found it. So yeah, so the mover should be here soon. I'm gonna go do all this stuff. I'm not gonna record that because I need to get it done before they come, and maybe I'll just take a trip to my other apartment so I could put that stuff in there. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, I'm gonna talk to y'all once the movers get here. figured since I'm already sitting here doing the intro, I might as well just do the outro. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have been here for actually a little over a month now. So we spent our first month here. It's been great. I'm happy. I love it here. My sanctuary, it's really coming together. And with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
No time, no.
She like them boy with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old rain.